Today we're going to be unboxing the Corsair Vengeance. I know it's been out for a couple of years or a year or so, but I just got it not too long ago. And I specifically chose the MX Brown switches. So I've never ever used any of these kind of keyboards before, so I just, from what I've seen online, the MX Brown looked like the perfect fit. Okay, so here's the box, and of course when you open the box you're going to see the keyboard sitting there wrapped up in plastic. So let's remove it. Got a nice weight to it so far. I like it. It's got a very thick USB cord also. It doesn't look like it's going to break that easily. Okay, so let's move it out of the way here. What comes in the box is the first thing you'll see there when I zoom in. There we go. First thing you'll see is the replaceable keys. These are mainly for gamers. If you're just typing, you don't need this. But if you want to have different feeling keys, and that's perfect. And then there's the manuals, and here's the warranty card. And of course the palm rest. And you pretty much will need it with this keyboard, I think. I need it because it's kind of thick, and if you don't have the palm rest, it's kind of raised up too high. So let's peel this plastic up. And there it is. I'm loving the brushed aluminum black. I like it a lot better than the silver version. To me, it just looks cleaner and sharper. To me, the aesthetics of this keyboard is what I liked when I first seen it. Don't know why this key was just sitting there, but it just clipped right back on and it's good to go. I am doing a voiceover, so that's why I'm talking in past tense. Anyway, so it does come with two plugs, two USBs, and that's because it does have a pass-through USB plug on the back port. Love it. Feels great. I love the keys. Love the look. Love this volume rocker. From first impressions, I give this thing a 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10. I don't see any flaws yet. There's the USB and the switch to choose the settings. I'm not sure what that really does. But yeah, to me it's awesome. And if you look here, this is what I'm upgrading from. So as you can tell, I'm pretty excited. I mean, this Lenovo keyboard did last me like 10 years, but it's time to go. Hopefully this lasts me 10 years as well. Let me show you some of the lighting, if I can. My camera sucks for this. But as you can see, I got the red lighting, and you can choose how bright you want it. You can also choose to illuminate only specific custom keys, but I haven't done any of that setup yet. So anyways, thanks for watching.